All right, those of you with lowered F150s, you know my pain. I have busted off the lower valance. I'm gonna pull the bumper and replace it. All right, here's the lower air dam part number from Ford. And this is for the valance that it bolts to, that mine is broken all up. All right, to start, I'm gonna pop this panel out here. It's just held on with some clips, and then do the other side. All right, there's two of the bumper brackets, or bumper bolts, and there's one more there you gotta get from the inside. Also, if you look, two of the clips stayed in the bumper. That shouldn't be a big problem, just to snap them back in later. All right, got the driver's side out. Now I'm gonna loosen these two bolts, but I'm not gonna take them out. I also measured already the gap on the corners, and it's 3/4 of an inch on each side, just so everything looks right when I'm done. All right, this is the last bumper bolt right here. And it is a 20, they're all 21 millimeter, by the way. All right, now to swap out this valance. All right, so Ford made this a real pain in the ass. These are 5.5 millimeter here. You're gonna spend hours messing with that, or just take these 13 millimeters out here, 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 and here. Also, you got some 8 millimeters here to get, because there's two bolts under here as well. I already have that side taken apart, and it'll all be going back together here in a minute. All right, I got this piece put back on. I don't know a torque spec. I just went 1 ugga-dugga with a 3/8 impact. They're small bolts, so they're gonna bust real easy if you put too much ass on them. All right, everything's back together, except for the lower piece. I'll put that on after the bumper's back on the truck. All right, I got the bumper back on. All the gaps are good. It's a pain in the ass doing it by yourself, so if you go to do this job, get a buddy to help. I also put my factory lower back on, but I cut it off. I think it looks pretty good. I kept the other one just in case I screw this one up, then I'll swap it out later. But as far as that goes, it took me about 1 hour and 20 minutes with figuring everything out. You're gonna need a 21 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, and a 5.5 millimeter to do this job. Thanks for watching.